Hey guys, it's David, and I'm going to be unboxing the kandf Concept 67-inch camera tripod. So I was really, needing another camera tripod so that I can record my B-rolls a lot more easily with my second camera. And I was looking around and I found this tripod, and I thought it was quite nice because it looked durable, it looked robust. It had an aluminium frame, and it could, do different positions, whether it's a mono tripod or whether it's upside down so you can get really nice and close to your subject, or just a traditional tripod stand. So yeah, let's see how it does. The tripod is a 67-inch non-rusting aluminium monopod tripod that allows for the DSLR camera to mount directly to it for stable and flexible camera angles. The tripod load capacity is 10 kilograms, which I haven't tested. It also has a 360-degree panoramic base, so you don't have to turn the whole tripod around if you want to switch to recording to something behind the camera. It has a 360-degree ball head with locking knobs to fix the angle you want the camera to face. This is further made easy with the spirit bubble balancing leveler on the ball head. It has a quick release shoe plate that connects to the base of your DSLR camera. It has 3 leg stands with 5 sections with a spiral type locking knob, allowing for you to be able to adjust the height of the tripod. All in all, I think this is a really good tripod. I love the flexibility of it. I love the different angles I can get with my camera, and honestly, it's a great addition to my camera, gear kit. I've left a link below for where you can buy it from, and yeah, I love it. So definitely check out these videos here for amazing unboxing and just tech in general. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like down below.